impressed. This thing's definitely, it's on the edge. It's over here.
Yeah, it's a little confusing for people, but basically a corner lot with mostly unobstructed views of the coastline. So they're asking just under 37 million, 7,500 square feet. So you can see right away how much land comes with these types of properties, right? So you've got this large driveway gated, subterranean garage access, lots of landscaping, lots of views, lots of...
It's a 17,000 square foot lot.
Yeah. I say we're here to see the view. Let's start there. Let's go check out the back view and then go through the house afterwards. I mean, you definitely don't have any problem seeing the water at this property.
No, whether it burned off or not.
I mean, look, you got the peninsula, you got
the coastline view all the way down here. Make sure you get that from this angle too. But
I mean, this is over a 180-degree view of the water. It's just, it's spectacular.
And although it is still somewhat hazy, you've got, I mean, you can't see Catalina really because of the haze and the marine layer, but you get amazing peninsula, Lido, all that view down there and the coastline. You can see all that.
It's quiet, it's private, you get that ocean breeze. You can't feel it on camera, but oh my goodness, that ocean breeze is so nice on this hot summer day.
And again, the way that this lot is positioned here, you've got, you know, you're an end corner lot, 17,000 square feet. This is unobstructed over here. You got some rooftops, but like there's no one next to you, which that's in the value as well. The size of the lot, as well as the view and the fact that there's nobody bordering you on this side.
Yeah, there's so many factors that go into market value, what's desirable for one person versus somebody else. So it's, this property, although just at first glance walking through it, it seems outdated, and I would imagine anybody buying this property is going to redo most of the inside. The lot, the land, the grandness of it all is just, that's really the selling feature. That's really where the money's at.
Yeah, I mean, that view is pretty amazing when you get something like that.
Can you see yourself hanging out in this pool?
Absolutely. Very private, very nice. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I mean, let's see what the rest of the house looks like.
Yeah, let's go inside. Let's go take a look at the primary. Let's go see the moneymaker shots of this property. Yeah. Kitchen, you got it's the pantry. Yep.
Yeah.
Got a wet bar. Okay. You know what, actually?
This is nice. What?
I want to see what's downstairs. I think it's probably just garage, huh?
Could be. Let's go take a look.
Let's just take a look. Ooh, you can already feel how cool it is down here. That's the one thing that I miss.
Garage in another room.
Basements aren't really a thing in California, but when you get one, you can immediately feel the difference in temperature.
It's a nice 3-car, but you've got underneath space too. The driveway's huge. This
is like the utility room
too, which is huge. Plus, very elegant decor. So you got 1, 2 secondaries, and this would be the primary over here.
Definitely, the place needs some modern upgrades for sure.
But I mean, you've got the view.
The canvas is spectacular. Coming in here with some cosmetic changes to make it a little bit more modern, 2024 feel. This place could be out of this world.
Closet? We've got 2 closets. We've got his and hers. Check out this phone. It's like the house phone. Ooh, Whirlpool jets. Okay. Pretty good sized closet. All right.
Hello.
I could put my stuff in here. Yeah, this one's got a nice view too. Wow. I mean, they get coastline view here, and they get all of it over here, and Crystal Cove on that side as well too. Crystal Cove is over there on the hill, by the way, in Newport Coast. That's what's over there. It's nice. Yeah, all these rooms have. This one's got an amazing view, just like the primary, but you get the coastline view on this one.
Yeah, I like the way they've got this like concave wall. Just a soft bend, nice balcony.
Cool. All right.
Well, that's what $37 million gets you in Newport Coast. I was impressed. Let's check out the next one. All right, guys, thanks for hanging with us today for Broker Preview in Newport Coast. We had an absolute blast.
Yeah.
Comment below, let us know what you think about this property we just showed you at 37 million. There's obviously lots of factors to consider, right? There's the size of the home, the size of the lot, the orientation of the lot, the views, the condition. I mean, what were your final thoughts on this place?
I think that the lot, the view are incredible. The fact that it's positioned where you get coastline views, you get Crystal Cove views, and then obviously like more than 180 ocean view. Interior, obviously, it's going to need some updating, some work.
Sure.
It's putting it gently, you're going to have to remodel the whole thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very unique style for the current owner, and somebody's going to come in here and probably redo the inside, and it's going to be a trophy property soon. So we'll follow along, we'll see what it sells for, and we'll keep you guys posted. Until the next time.